Oh, hey, Devin.
Hi.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, we're going camping.
Oh, what? Tell me more.
We're gonna go camping at Gojedo on the beach with all of our friends and good food, and it's gonna be fantastic.
Oh my gosh. Why did you want to do that?
Why do I want to go camping?
Yeah.
It's my first time camping in Korea. It's gonna be so fun. Also, we're gonna have marshmallows and a fire.
Oh, is that what you're most looking forward to?
Oh yeah, the
Really?
fire.
The fire. Oh gosh.
And the marshmallows.
Oh.
And I'm really excited to listen to the sea at night.
Oh yeah, that sounds so nice. Oh.
Hi, Susie.
Hi. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Oh my gosh, I'm glad you asked. I'm going camping.
You're going camping. Whoa. It's like kind of blurry. I don't know how to make it less. Oh, it's like this. Okay. Oh, now you look beautiful.
Oh, wow.
I mean, you did before too.
Oh, thank you. Shall I answer again?
Yeah. We're just gonna make editing hard for Rudy, so it's okay.
I can make it. Try.
You got Rudy with it.
Oh.
What are you most excited for to go camping?
I am most excited to just like be outside in nature, and I don't know these guys very well, so I'm really excited to get to know everyone and have some fun times, make some good memories, maybe do some singing,
Yeah, with these
and
guys.
yeah, just everything.
We'll see you camping. Say, let's go
See you at the
go.
beach.
이게 있어야 돼. 분명히 되는구나. 이러면.
The point of the game is you need to be able to get all the cards out of your hand. So when it is your turn, the numbers go in order. So for example, if you have all the twos, so you look through your hand and you say, oh, I have a 2. So you say 1, 2, and you put it face down and you don't show it to anyone.
Yeah.
Ears are popping.
Now we're going under the sea right now.
저희 안 멈추고 쭉 가나요?
네?
안 멈추고 쭉 가나요?
잘 못 들었어요.
안 멈추고 쭉 가나요?
네. 왜요? 화장실 가고 싶어요?
약간. 근데 아직까지 괜찮아요.
얼마 안 남았어요.
아 그래요?
40분 남았는데.
얼마 안 남지 않은 것 같은데?
딴 생각 조금 할래요.
40분이요.
40분 괜찮아요.
아 일단 있어
근데
볼게요.
여기 휴게소가 없다 중요한 거.
오케이.
If you can see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, yeah. Back, yeah.
안녕하세요.
You want to take pictures or do you want to help us, Rudy?
You're just gonna watch, huh?
This is pretending 2.0. We're purely trying
Who is the next pretending?
us, both of us. Before G1 comes over here, we have to figure this out. Do you know how to do this?
Oh, let me see. 사실 I gotta say, I don't. 오, 타마라 표정 좋은데?
No, that's. I don't think that's how you do it. That's not how you do it. This is pretending 2.0.
우리 두 번째 프리텐딩 타마라래.
Wait, Giovanni, can you come over here? Do this one. So late, huh?
Because of the traffic jam,
The traffic jam.
and we drove by traders to get some branches to make a fire.
Oh, good day. Do you hear that, camera? That's the sound of the rain.
Oh, yeah, camping in the rain.
We didn't listen to Tamara's warning.
Rudy said it wasn't going to rain. He lied to us.
Sorry.
You brought the rain.
It'll be fun.
You need to pay like the medicine. After that, Rudy, you need to pay like the medicine.
Yeah.
어떤 거?
The medicine. 약.
Medicine?
You need to pay. If we all get sick,
Ah,
I'm already sick.
if I get sick too.
I pay you. We'll have a sick party at Kosovo.
Sometimes when you're worried, it's not going to fit it on.
Yeah.
이야. 텐트 칠 수 있을까요?
아니 타프를
네.
저기 앞에다가 바닷가 앞에다가 일단 쳐야 돼. 왜냐하면
네.
숲에는 불멍을 못 하거든.
아.
불이 붙어서.
네네.
일단 저렇게 애들 다 쳤으니까 여기 의자 깔아놓고 좀 쉬자.
네.
한게 아니니까. 그 의자 펴서 좀 앉아 있으시면 좋을 것 같아요. 편하게.
Is it okay to have the fire under this?
Don't let it fire like fire.
비가 많이 오네.
오.
진짜 이거 안 내려앉으려나?
뭐 튼튼해서. 오. 오, 프리텐딩.
진짜.